Hi, my name is Mark, and I tend to notice noises a little bit more than other people. Because I make these videos, I become like hyper aware of all the noises that go on. Like, when trying to film this video today, I kind of had to wait until all my family left the house because they're all just talking and chatting in the background, and that would just be annoying in a video. And then as soon as they leave, it starts like lightning, thunder and lightning. There was a storm going on, and there was thunder, and I'm like, I can't make a video now. People were like, oh man, the thunder's so distracting. And then that stopped, and then I'm gonna do something I've never done before in this. I'm gonna turn the camera. It's gonna be epic. See, we have that clock there, which, yeah, every 15 minutes, that thing goes burn, 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 and see, I seem to be the only one that lives in my house that finds that incredibly annoying. Not just for filming, I just don't like it, but especially for filming, because every 15 minutes, it goes off, and I have to time my filming around it, and it's just so annoying. And I realize it's like other people think it sounds pretty or something, but for me, filmmaker's a bit pretentious. A guy that makes amateur videos talking to a camera on the internet. Yeah, that's my title. It's really distracting trying to make videos. And it's just all these noises, like the air conditioning is on right now, and I'm like terrified that everyone is going to hate my video because they can hear the air conditioning. Like, can you hear that? I don't know if you can, but to me, it's just like, and I'm like, I can't make a video with this, but it's really hot in Florida, so I leave the air conditioning on. I'll see you later.